Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, let me request all of our viewers to subscribe to our channel and also promote it. Today our focus is on the purpose of life. We are concerned about, is there any purpose for the day-to-day life that we are living? This is not an intellectual question. Rather, it is an existential question. The person who has attained a kind of maturity will certainly ask this question: is there any meaning for this life? Let us find it in detail. The greatest art of existence is the art of living. Now, how to live our life maximum? That we have to inquire. Life has many aspects. We are totally concerned with our day-to-day life activity. Life has so many conflicts, and we are faced with the phenomenon called violence. Violence is also one of the greatest tragedies of life. We are to be faced with so many problems like this, existential problem. Sometimes we don't know any answer to such kind of problems. Hence, we go to the master to find out the answer for all these kind of existential problems. Since a seeker is confused, he goes to a master and seeks guidance. Instead of getting clarity, he is more confused. Hence, both the master and the disciple, both are confused. So, by visiting a master, we will not find any answer to such questions. Then, what else to do? We have to begin with ourselves, with our own mind, with our own body. That is here and now. We must know how to live in the present. Most of the time we are living in the past or in the future. So your real life is that life where we will be able to live in the present. Present has no time in it. If we are able to live in the present, it may bring us to a timeless dimension of life. A person who has attained a kind of maturity will certainly ask this question: what is the purpose of life? That is quite natural. If you don't ask this question, that means we have lost the opportunity. Life is the precious gift by the nature. Why we have to lose it? Hence, it is very important to find answer for such questions. Now, how to begin with ourselves? We must have a meditative mind to find the answer for such questions. What is a meditative mind? A meditative mind is an inquiring mind. The inquiring mind itself is in meditation. Meditation is the greatest art of life. By meditating, we will open the key to the secrets of nature. By meditating, we will enter into the timeless dimension of life. That is the only way out. So without going to place and finding the truth, one must know how to find the truth in oneself. If the seeker is very much sincere and courageous, certainly he will be able to do it. Also, we must ask the question whether our brain has the capacity to find or unravel the secrets of life. Certainly, our brain is the most beautiful thing in the world. Brain has the capacity to find the answer for such questions. So, without asking anybody this question, let us ask this question many times unto ourselves. Then certainly we will come up with the answer. And hence, one day all the illusions and ignorance will come to end. That stage may be called as enlightenment. So it is possible to find the answer for our life. Once again, in another one video, we will come up with another one aspect of life.